Starting over feels like climbing a mountain after you just fell off the cliff. It's not just hard, it feels impossible. I know exactly how that feels. You look at where you are and then you look at where you want to be. And the gap just feels too big. You feel like you've wasted so much time and that it's too late to fix it. But here's the hard truth. The reason it feels impossible isn't because you're old or broke or behind. It's because you are making it 10 times harder than it needs to be. In this video, I'm going to show you the 3 lies dragging you down and the 1 shift you need to make to finally cut them loose. Okay, let's talk about the first lie dragging you down. This is, I can fix the past. This is when you look at your past, your degree, your long-term relationship, the 5 years you spent in that career, and you think, I can't walk away now. I've invested too much. You are grieving a future that never happened, based on a past that is already dead. This is what keeps people in jobs they hate and relationships that are over. You are trying to save your investment. But here's the reality check. You cannot save the time you already spent. That time is gone. It's spent. The only question that matters is, what are you going to do with the next 5 years? If you stay because of the past, you aren't saving the last 5 years. You are just wasting the next 5 years too. You have to mourn the past so you can save the future. But even if you let go of the past, you hit the second lie. I can't change who I am. This is where you say, I'm not the kind of person who starts a business, or I'm not the kind of person who gets fit. You are clinging to an old version of yourself when you start over. The scariest part isn't doing new things, it's being a new person. You are afraid that if you change, you won't recognize yourself, or worse, your friends and family won't recognize you. You have to realize that your identity is just a story you tell yourself. It's not a tattoo, it's an outfit. You can change it. You must change it. You cannot build a new life with your old personality. The person who got you here can get you there. You have to be willing to let the old you die so the new you can be born. This is a deep one. So I want to pause and ask you something real. What is the one label you use to describe yourself? What is actually holding you back? Is it, I'm lazy, I'm shy, I'm not creative? Let me know in the comments. Writing it down is the first step to destroying it. Now, here is the third lie, and this is the one that paralyzes you. I need to catch up. You are standing at the bottom of a mountain, starting over, and you are staring at the peak. Success. And the distance between them is terrifying. You look at people your age who are already successful and you feel sick. You think, I have so much catching up to do. This catch up mentally is poison. It makes you rush, it makes you look for shortcuts. And when you don't get rich or fit in 30 days, you crash and burn. You have to stop measuring yourself against their chapter 20. You are on chapter 1. The only way to close the gap is to stop looking at the peak and start looking at your feet. Stop trying to catch up and start trying to step forward. So how do we actually do this? How do we stop believing the lies and finally move forward? The answer is the day one mindset. Jeff Bezos famously said, it is always day one, but I want you to use it differently. Treat today like it is the very first day of your life. Imagine you just woke up in this body, in this apartment, with this bank account. Today. No past, no memories of failure, no sunk costs. If you arrive on Earth today with your current situation, would you spend the day mourning the last 10 years? No. You wouldn't even know about them. You would just look at what you have and ask, okay, what can I build with this? That is the shift. Stop trying to fix your old life. Start building a new one from scratch, using the assets you have right now. So here's your homework. I want you to declare task bankruptcy. Take all those old goals, all those old regrets, all those should haves, and delete them. They are heavy and they are useless. Pick one thing you want to build. Just one. And take the first smallest step toward it today. Not to catch up to anyone else, but just to prove to yourself that you are moving. It is not too late, you are not behind, you're just at the beginning. And the beginning is a beautiful place to be. Thanks for watching.